Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to take you to a UNESCO World Heritage site in Paoay, Ilocos Norte. And this is the Paoay Church or the Saint Augustine Church, which is completed in the 1700, 1710 to be exact. So this is really an old, very old church, and I think it's one of the best destinations that you can visit here in the Philippines. I really believe that many will enjoy the beauty of this church, and I also know that it's not a popular destination here in the Philippines. Well, that's why I'm making a video about it, so more people, more tourists, more visitors will know about the beauty of Paoay Church. So enjoy. Alright. So I hope that you enjoyed Hawaii Church, and I really hope that I made you want to go visit it in the future. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel so that I can see you on my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.